Hi everyone and welcome back. Are you craving for something sweet, crunchy and coconutty? Come, let me show you how to make crunchy coconut chinchi, easy Nigeria snack recipe. People, this is a no-fail method and it's so friendly for kids and adults. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using. First thing, I'll be sieving in my flour, which is 500 grams of flour. Remember to reserve some in case you'll be needing it in the later time when you are kneading. So after this sieving process, I also added in my baking powder, and this baking powder helps as a rising agent in this recipe. So here comes the word nutmeg that has been nicely added. I also added in my white pepper, as you can rightly see. And after this, people, we are just going to do what? We are going to sieve everything together. Remember, we'll be adding in a pinch of salt. That's what I just added. And also, I'll be adding in 10 tablespoons of sugar. That is what is in this cup I'm showing to you. And then I'll add in 50 grams of coconut flakes. Yes, this is where your coconut comes in. Then just mix everything together, marry them together until they are nicely mixed. Here comes my 40 grams of butter. On this butter was under room temperature. Okay, it was not in the fridge. I brought it out earlier and then I used it. So here is my 1.5 yogurt. That is mild, it is not fatty, so I just added that in instead of adding milk. Adding yogurt or you adding milk, remember when you add in yogurt, you'll be needing extra flour to do it, to combine this. And also remember to add in your egg, and also remember to add in the word vanilla flavor. The flavor has already been added, and I added in the egg, and then I rinsed a little of the yogurt, poured it in, and here is the time to combine. Knead until you get the consistency that will enable you to roll out. That's when you know it is ready. Okay, so in case it's too watery, remember to add in flour to bring it to that consistency that will enable you to work it out the way I'm doing right now, and then you can be able to roll it so that when you are cutting it, it will not stick on the board where you are rolling. Okay, that is just the tip. Make sure you add in enough flour on your working station so that when you place your dough on it, it will not stick, so that it will be workable as well. You can see me just cutting that into 6 unequal halves, and then I'll be working with one at a go. So keep watching, people. I hope you're seeing how the rolling process is going. If you think it's becoming sticky, please add in more flour and then you roll out until you get what you're looking for, so that it will be able to cut. And remember, when you're cutting, you can use your knife, you can use your pizza cutter, you can use the scissors, anyone that is workable for you. Make sure you use it. In case my voice is hanging, people, sorry, bear with me. I'm catching a little cold this time around. Okay, so this is the cutting process. You can see the pizza cutter. That's what I'm using to make these lines in the horizontal and vertical way. That is how you cut your chin-chin. Please, there is no specific shape I'm using here. I'm just cutting as I want, so you can cut to your satisfaction. Keep watching, people. After rolling this specific one, the remaining ones were done off camera so that we don't waste all the time here doing this. Remember, this takes a little time. Don't look at it the way it is in the video. It takes a little time before you roll and then cut and everything. It takes some time. Okay, so be patient when you're doing this. So you can see after this time, we're going to start the frying process. So keep on enjoying this video. Remember to like, share, remember to leave a resounding comment at the end. And in case you're new, remember to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that be among the first to be alerted anytime I upload new videos such as this. So without further ado, let's continue our frying. This is the pot I've heated, and then I added in the oil, vegetable oil. I used just 1 liter. That's the gallon you're seeing, and that was enough to do all the frying. I also have some left. Okay, so I added in onions to release the flavor, and here is the whole cut dough for our chin chin. Not just chin chin, remember it's coconut chin chin. So when you're saying it, say it nicely. Please remember to fry from medium to low heat. Don't use high heat to make this. You're not gonna love it. You see the outcome of this chin chin and you will know it took its time to cook or to fry. Okay, so look at the whole process. Check out the whole color. This is ready. This is good to go. And I'll just spread my paper towel and then I'll just put it in. You can see, very beautiful. Tell me the truth. Aren't you loving this? Aren't you enjoying this? Are you gonna try this? Your kids will definitely love it. Pack it as a lunch. Pack it as, walkabouting, chopping things. I don't know how to say it again. Like you chew as you move on the go. So that is it, people. Look at how this is looking. So this is the badge that I've just fried. Oh my God. I'm just admiring the color. Everything came out so beautifully. Well cooked. And it was crunchy outside and words and milky inside. That was how it came out. Very delicious, people. And now remember, here is my first batch. I fried up to 4 batches, but what I did on the screen was 2 batches, and then the rest was done off camera, and that was it. Keep enjoying your view, and I will be back. Behind the camera, I was busy picking and chewing. That's what I was doing. It was really delicious. It came out as expected. If you have coconut milk, please don't opt out. Use it, and people, you're going to make the best coconut chin chin ever. I assure you that. Look at everything coming out so well. Everything came out as expected, and people, we totally enjoyed it. Okay, and we are still enjoying because I just made this thing like yesterday, and today I'm posting the video. We still have it in the fridge, and I'm going to show you how to store at the end. Store in a tight container. Don't forget, in case I don't show you that at the end, but remember, use a tight container and store in the refrigerator. And anytime you open to chew, you'll see it's going to give you the same taste and flavor just as if you made it that day. So look at this second batch. People, I don't know if you understood everything that went behind the scene in this chin chin making. The timing was good. Like, you have to fry from low to medium heat. That's what gives you this perfect chin chin you're seeing at the end. Check it out, people. So beautifully made. So here is what I'm doing. Pouring it into the container, and people, I will seal that up. And I actually enjoyed this with my strawberry milkshake. People, the short video is on my channel. Please enjoy the view. It is just worth it. Thanks everyone for watching up to this time, and on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. And this is me saying word. Bye bye.